Hey guys, welcome back to EduTech Rohit. This is Rohit from server 773. So guys, there is a new update on Last War that is installed by me right now. So I got a mail that about patch note. So there's new feature. The base now has a new building event hub which unlocks after headquarter reaches level 10. Once built, you can check server time, event start times, and other details. Also, Desert Storm Battlefield now features a spectate option for non-participating commanders to view battles. There's optimization, alliance record optimization also, and various bug fixes are given in these patch notes. With that, there's a reward given by last for 100 diamonds. So I will show you what is new event hub. Here you can see in build section in military there's a event hub building given here. I will place it here to show you what it does. So it's done now, and we will find what is this. So it's a to-do list. Okay, so there's a event going on, Desert Storm Battlefield, which will be available after 4:59 hours, or you can also check server time. Okay, so according to my server it will be 12:29. Okay, so basically it's a reminder of events. It is a reminder building, you can say, or event hub to remind you about various events are going on last wars. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this content useful. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about last war.